So Success Principle series for value added resources to take charge of your life. What are we talking about? Today we are talking about positive thinking. Yes, it is really needed. It is a no-brainer subject, but still it is to be talked all the time because it is so important. It is vital in any success, business success, life success. So we are going to have one full episode only about positive thinking. First thought you have in the morning that decides your whole day. That's why our ancestors told us, start your day thinking about the higher power, because higher power is naturally positive, it's naturally good. That's why every religion in every world, every area, every country, they say, start your day thinking positive, thinking about the higher source, the creator, yeah, whatever name you give. We say God, you can say whatever, but means it is the creator, the higher power. Connect with the higher power early in the morning so that your day will be better. Negative thinking just makes your journey hard. You have to go through your journey. Then why not to just enjoy, find solution? Yeah, I know sometimes it is not possible. It is not even easy, but you heard so many times, if life gives you lemon, make lemonade. As actually Joyce Mayer says that just because you got cactus doesn't mean you have to sit on it. Yeah, you can cut cactus, you can take inside out of it and you can make medicine out of it, or you can avoid it, you can do whatever, but you don't need to sit on it and complain about life. When you have negative thinking, it just goes into circle means it just goes into circle, because then one negative thought will bring another negative thought, and yeah, as my spiritual guru says, that one negative thought gets another cousins, and then they just have party. But I just want to elaborate more on nature's laws, because God or nature gives you more of what you enjoy. And when you keep on thinking whatever thoughts they are, whether positive or negative, so the impression nature has that, okay, you keep on thinking these thoughts, I'll give you more of that. So if you keep on thinking more of negative thoughts, you will get more of negative thoughts, and that's not going to provide any solution. So that is how the law works. So if you have positive thinking, more and more positive thoughts will keep on coming again and again and again. That's it. You don't want to go into negative circles all the time. Having worry and feeling sorry for yourself doesn't solve any problem. Means then why? What is the use? Right? Negative thoughts have proven to create or secret chemicals in your body which are really harmful for your health. There is a big study shown that, okay, if you have this kind of negative thought, you will get this disease. If you have this kind of negative thought, you'll get this. It's all proven. Maybe I'll have one podcast or a YouTube episode just on that, okay, what negative thought gives what kind of problem in your body. That's actually a big study done over there. Satisfied life is better than successful life, because yeah, you might be successful in people's eyes, but that doesn't mean you have satisfied life. Means you see so many people, for example, Steve Jobs, actually he wrote his last written note. He had written that people thought that I had a really good life, but he said, I wish I had more friends, I wish I had pursued my hobbies, I wish I had taken some more time off and all. So satisfied life you get by positive thinking. Successful life means you might be successful in other people's lives, but that doesn't help you. Yeah, this is your life. You have to see what is good for you, right? Spring is coming. Right now, spring is there. What did you learn from the big trees? They lost their leaves during fall, but they still kept on standing tall because they knew the spring was coming and they are going to get new leaves. So we can learn from these trees and apply the same principle for our life. We can stand tall even if we lose most precious things in our life, right? Negative thinking, what it leads? It leads you to blame others, not taking responsibility of your life, your actions, not having goals. And even if you have goals, if you have negative thinking, you won't finish those. You won't actually finish those projects. You will quit, you will leave halfway, you will be listening to wrong people, and you won't be learning from your past. We'll keep on repeating the same mistakes again and again and again, and life will just keep on repeating the same cycle again and again and again. There won't be any progress, nothing will happen. So why to have negative thinking? It is not going to help you anything. Here we are talking mainly what is useful to you, what is going to help you. Don't repeat the same mistakes. Yes, what are the benefits of positive thinking? In stress management, they have proven that positive thinking helps stress management and self-development. It improves physical and mental health. You must have read Viktor Frankl's story. He survived concentration camp only because of his optimistic attitude and positive thinking. People were dying left, right, and center, and people who were not dying in concentration camp, they were committing suicide. Everything around him was really not looking good. But still, he survived only because of his positive thinking. It is proven even in medical industry that people who have positive attitude, they recover fast. Yes, because they're optimistic. They have something to look forward to their life. Positive thinking will bring you out of your valley. Negative thinking will just keep you into valley. Mayo Clinic, WebMD, they have proven, their research has proven, both of them, their researchers have proven that positive thinking reduces chances of heart attack, it increases immunity. Yeah, as mentioned before, it will recover you fast from any problems you have. So, we are talking about what is useful for you, for your life, your business. In general, positive thinking is useful. Yes, it is not natural. It is very natural to get into the circle of negative thinking, and it is very, very easy to put blame on others and complain about circumstances, whatever it is. But that's not going to help you anyway. Because I have seen the same situation, but people have different attitudes and opinions. For example, rain in some countries they really don't like. Oh my goodness, it is raining. I cannot do anything. I cannot go out. I cannot have fun and all. And in other countries where I grew up, rain was supposed to be really like a romantic thing. Means people enjoyed rain, and yeah, means we need rain. So why to complain about it? So it is the same situation, but the different attitude. The way you look at the situation changes. Means situation remains the same, but your attitude, your life, means the way you go through the life changes. So here you have to find what is useful to you, and positive thinking is useful to you. This channel is dedicated to provide value added resources to better your life, better your business. We want to see you succeed. Yes, Please tell us, how can we add value to your life? We can, discuss those topics. Of course, means I don't know everything, but hey, I can research and I can find out more information and I can provide information that to you. But we just want to succeed and we want you to succeed. We want to see everyone around us to be successful because that is the solution. Because if you want to help poor, the most important thing is not to stay poor because one poor cannot help other poor. So if you want to find solution, just do the things which are useful to you. We want to see you succeed. Thank you. God bless you.